Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2004 Harley-Davidson Roadkin Custom. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 35,539 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire is at 430 seconds and is a new tire, and the rear is also at 430 seconds. We took this bike on a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a coating blemish on the clutch cable, and chrome bubbling on the headlight bezel. This bike has one key and one fob. It's been upgraded with Vance & Hines slip-on mufflers, an LED headlight, LED highway lights, extended saddlebags, aftermarket saddlebag latch covers, a shift linkage, a front fender chrome trim, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, grips, a timing cover, and saddlebag latches. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.